We're doing the Acura front brakes. 19mm lug nuts. Remove your tire. Put your car in the air. Get your jack stand. You have two 17mm. One here. One here. And one here. Remove both those 17mm now. Alright, both 17s removed. Just pull the caliper towards you a little bit. Work it back and forth. I just rest it up here. Move these anti-rattle clips. Move your old brake pads. You can use a pry bar for that. Put your pry bar right in here. Same thing for the inside pad. Let's get those pads out. Then I'll pull out my guide pins. Just pop them back like that. Move the boot. I want to put some grease on both these pins. Push them back in. And now we're going to use an old brake pad and a C-clamp to compress these pistons. Alright, that's my method there. C-clamp, old brake pad. I like to remove the cap off my reservoir. To watch the fluid as I compress, just turn clockwise on your C-clamp, compress these pistons. Alright, pistons compressed. Want to install our new brake pads. Take note of the wear sensor. Same side. This is going to be your inside pad. Put that inside. Apply a little grease to the back of this. Let's install our pads now. Basically, your pad is going like so. Same thing for the inside. Alright, new pads are in. We got new anti-rattle clips. If not, you can reuse the old ones. I like to just bend this a little bit. As you can see, there's two holes in the brake pads. It's going to go in just like that. And into that other hole there. Let's get them in now. Alright, when you get both of them in, it'll look like that. Now you just reinstall your caliper. Alright, caliper is on. Put back in your two 17s. Tighten them down. Put back on your tire. Cover back your reservoir. Pump your brake pedal before you move off. And that's the Acura front brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.